tools and equipment. For today's video, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ang aming produkto. Ang Titan Arc PDM Welding Machine 220 model. Kung ikaw ay isang welder o welding enthusiast, para sa iyo ito.
As you can see on the video, Titan Arc 220 model is easy to use, even better for beginners. Also, the accessories included like the Kratos welding holder and earth clock, as well as different types of welding rods ay available sa aming shop here in CARMONA, Cavite. To show how versatile Titan Arc 220 model, nagtest kami ng iba't ibang klase ng welding rods like 308L, 6013, and 7018 with the sizes ranging from 2.5mm to 3.2mm. Titan Arc welding machine has advanced IGBT inverter technology and provides excellent welding performance. As you can see po dito sa video, isa sa mga advantages ay lahat ng welding rod ay pwedeng gamitin para sa Titan Arc PDM welding machine. But, be careful with its use. If you want less spark, pwede pong i-minimize yung power. At isa naman sa disadvantages ng Titan Arc welding machine is maingay po siya compare sa ibang brand ng welding machine.
Therefore, I guarantee that Titan Arc welding machine offers high quality stands to improve productivity. Magpapahuli ka ba? Order na here in our shop in CARMONA, Cavite. Again, I'm Pauline. See you in the next video.
For more exclusive welding or construction content, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel. See you there.